Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to enable your Vapi agent to loop in a human for approvals and input before proceeding in a conversation with a caller. I'll quickly show you a demo of this feature, and then I'll take just a few minutes to show you step by step how you can get this set up for yourself on both Vapi and Poku. So here we have our Vapi agent prompt. As you can tell, its role is to be a receptionist at a dentist office. And we've prompted it so that anytime a caller asks for a discount, the agent will call the contact human tool and reach out to a manager or supervisor via SMS to get some information and see if it can offer a discount. So I'll play the manager role in this demo and I'll respond back to the agent saying, yep, we can give a discount, or no, we can't. And after that, the agent will automatically resume its conversation with the caller and share what it just learned from the manager. So yeah, let's give it a try.
Emily from Bay Street Dental speaking. How can I help you?
Hey Emily, I am interested in the teeth whitening services. I was wondering, are there any discounts available?
Thank you for your interest in our teeth whitening services. Is it okay if I put you on a brief hold while I check with my manager about any available discounts?
Sure, go ahead.
Give me a moment.
So here, Emily is using the contact human tool to get a hold of a human, notifying them that a customer has asked about discounts. And I, as the manager, I'm letting Emily know, yeah, there's a 10% discount. So Emily's going to go back and resume the combo.
Thank you for waiting. We do have a new customer discount of 10% off for our teeth whitening services. Would you like to schedule an appointment, or do you have any other questions?
No, that's great. Thanks, Emily. All right, now I'm going to show you all how to configure this step by step. First, you'll navigate to dashboard.pokulabs.com and you'll sign in with your Gmail account. Right now we support Gmail sign-in, and you'll go ahead and generate an API key. Make sure to save that down somewhere. We're going to be using that in just a few moments. Second step is to go to integrations and plug in your Twilio credentials. This is important because the contact human tool right now is only compatible with phone numbers that have SMS enabled. This is similar to Vapi's requirements for using the send text feature. So plug in your credentials, and then the final setup is going to the human intervention tab, scrolling down and finding the section called human in the loop. And this is where you're going to configure the agent number, which is what number do you want your agent to reach out from? And then, of course, the human number. Who do you want your agent to contact when it has a question? Last but not least, we also allow you to configure how long in seconds you would like your agent to wait before someone returns a response. So if I put 30 seconds, then the agent would only wait 30 seconds before going back to the customer and saying, hey, I'm so sorry, I couldn't get a hold of my manager. Let's take a look at the tools section on Vapi. Go to create tool, and you're going to create a new MCP integration. You can name this whatever you want. For description, I've put in use this tool to contact a staff member. For the server settings, make sure you put in mcp.pokulabs.com/SSE. And then for timeout, I've set mine to 120 seconds. You want to make sure that you set your timeout to larger than whatever you just set on Poku for your agent wait time. Because what this is defining here is how long the open connection to the Poku Labs MCP server will last. And that'll give your agent a chance to call one of the tools we have available on our MCP server, which is the contact human tool. In the future, we'll be launching more and more tools. And of course, for the HTTP header, put in authorization, bearer, and then the Poku API token you just generated. Last but not least, let's go back to your agent and take a look at the prompt. Honestly, you can put in something really simple, like when the customer mentions or asks about discounts, use the call human tool. I've made it a little bit fancier here. So I have this logic that the agent first needs to get the customer's consent to put them on hold, and then they can call the tool, but you can simplify this however you want. And then of course, please don't forget to add in the MCP tool you just created. And that was it. I hope we made that quick and easy for you. We're really excited to see what you all end up building. Please leave us any questions, comments, and feedback below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.